We keep seeing the same thing happen with every client we're onboarding at the moment, and that is they have tons and tons of work that they've done, tons and tons of images on their website and things like that. But when it comes to their Google business profile, it is literally just blank no matter how busy they are. Now, jobs are being done, good work is going out the door, and almost nothing is actually showing up on Google to prove it. I see this a lot with guys that come to us from the likes of Yext or Yelp, and it's like they've been a complete advocate of it. They've got 1,000 reviews on there, and they're like, I'm just struggling to get work through the door, and that's because it's shit. Literally, Yext, Yelp, all of it is just pants. You've got to be on Google, you've got to be on Google Maps, and a lot of the guys are coming onto us, we're doing review reactivation, and it's like they don't have a GBP, they don't have a profile, so they haven't got any of that 90-day standing with Google that we're looking for. So what I'm trying to get across here is a listing with no photos at all. You can have a beautiful website like this, you have all of your gallery, about us, everything like that, but 90% of people who are looking for your service are going to go to your Google business profile. They're not going to go to your website anymore. And if you don't have photos on there, it's going to look inactive to Google, and Google will treat it like an inactive profile, like a dead profile. Now, fresh photos are literally the second most important ranking signal when it comes to Google, and that is the signal that you can actually control. Literally, if you are committed and you can get 1 to 2 photos uploaded every single day, that is fantastic. You're going to be in control of your ranking because each photo will be meta optimized and it'll also be geotagged to make sure that you just rank for your services. Now, what usually happens with our guys is they are just, you have a lot on anyway. You're already doing the invoicing, you're managing the family, your crew, your teams, lunches, whatever it is, and all of your good work is just going to die in the camera roll, and it happens every single time. So what we have actually done now is, for anyone coming to your custom review link, this is on our Local Leads Pro and Local Leads Max plans. If you're working with us, we now have this in place. So instead of you having to use your camera roll, instead of your guys having to use it, instead of going through company cam and marking things as before and after or a job complete, any of that, what we've done now is we've added it into the customer request. So let's say for Cardi Construction, someone comes in, they open up the QR code, NFC tag, whatever it is. They say, yeah, good, had a great time with them. What we're asking them to do is now just share a picture with us. So literally they can upload it right here, or they can just turn on their camera and take a picture straight away. And this is literally your customers doing this. And this is amazing because you know you should be posting updates. You know you should be getting content out there. You know that you should be doing all of this, but the job to job reality is it's just not happening. And we finish the work, we mean to grab a few shots, maybe we want to go back and get a before and after, and that moment just literally disappears. And what this does is it takes that off of your mind. It's a closed loop. You really don't need to think about this anymore. As soon as we get this going and you're actually getting 1, 2, 3 reviews a week, you don't have to worry about content. What we're doing is we're posting to Google Business Profile, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook. We're making videos out of these. All of that content side of things, all of the photos is just completely taken care of. So literally your customers are doing this for you. They're going in here, they're sharing a photo. I'm just going to upload a photo now. Okay, great. Literally as simple as that. So we've just picked out this new porch, and then we're just going to click continue. And then it is going to go to Google. So that is going to post that profile picture to our team. It's going to be meta optimized. It's also going to be geotagged. And then it's going to take you to Google to leave that photograph with a review. So there you go. It's going to open us up here. And it's going to open up the review screen. And that is it. So we're literally just going to add the details of our experience, and that photo is going to be automatically uploaded. It is as simple as that. It's pretty awesome. So what this is going to do for you and do for your profile is literally within 90 days, you are going to have hundreds and hundreds of brand new photographs on your profile. They're all going to feel real. They're going to feel recent. There's no AI just bullshit. There's no slop on there. It is customer uploaded job photos going for you for 3 months. It is going to massively help your profile out. Now, if this is something you want to try and want to get involved in, easiest thing to do is see if we're a good match. There is a free AI audit below the description on this video. Go in there, check if your GBP is just a heap of garbage. You should be getting calls from your GBP. On average, our guys are pulling in 60 to 100K a year additional revenue just from optimizing their GBP, posting right, getting estimators on there. It is really, really valuable. If you're sleeping on your Google business profile, you have Yelp, you have Angie's, and you're not utilizing this, it is a massive resource and you need to get on board. Every single LLM is going to start to reference this. You can check one of my reference videos here or there on where LLMs find their information, but it is all coming from your Google business profile.